Welcome to Cyprus Diaspora Uncovered. Recorded as part of the RIF-Powered Session at the Cyprus Diaspora Forum on May 7th, 2026 at the AMARA Hotel in Limassol, Cyprus, this pitching session showcased some of the country's most exciting startups, companies and centres of excellence. Participants presented their innovative technologies, ambitions and future plans, while highlighting the support they have received from the Research and Innovation Foundation. They also shared the strategic partnerships, collaborations and investment opportunities they are seeking to accelerate their growth and global impact.
I'm Marianna, and because it's the final session, it's 3-in-1 for you. It's your lucky day. 3-in-1, I will try to do it in 5 minutes. I am originally from Athens. I spent 11 years in the UK for studies, and I fell in love with a Cypriot. I moved into Cyprus in 2010, but unfortunately, this was during the financial crisis. So RIF, for around 7 years, was non-existent. And research in Cyprus was targeted as luxury. So for people that had, they were working in the field of research, and for me in oncology and stem cells, it was a very, very difficult, not only financial, but a difficult professional time. Together with my co-founder, Kostas Pitzilidis, he spent 16 years in MIT and Harvard. He came in Cyprus with a US mentality. He said, Marianna, we can do it. Let's go into the private sector. So we created Theramir. It was the second registered innovative company in Cyprus back in 2018. And now we have 3 companies. We are based into Agios Athanasios in the Asbis high-tech cluster. And why 3? The vision for me, it's about quality of life and impact in the community. During the past years, I lost my mother, my dad, and my sister from cancer. So I think that one solution doesn't fit all. Theramir has one of the first international patents on microRNA nanotherapeutics. We target metastasis. I believe it's going to be a first-in-class breakthrough technology for the next years. We target 20 types of cancer, but we enter the market and the manufacturing of the drug targeting triple-negative breast cancer that currently has no specific drug in the market. At the same time, we are in the manufacturing field. We manufacture collagen. Collagen is the main protein of life, is a glue of life. It sticks together your cells, your tissue. And as we go older, collagen protein dissociates. You can see it in your mirror. You see your face and immediately you see wrinkles. This is the loss of collagen. But for me, collagen is very, very important. For example, in women that have a mastectomy, that also their lymphatics are removed. Now we develop collagen bioic together with a Stanford spin-off for replacement of lymphatics under surgery. At the same time, we have big manufacturing contracts for South Korea. We have entered agreements of 45 million for the next 5 years as minimum quantities. So the products that you get from Korea, they have Cypriot collagen in. And also, I think we're going to announce something really big in the next weeks. We're going to do white labeling for a big German biotech company. So we're going to be very, very proud that the facilities that we have established here in Limassol produce and export all over the world. And our final company, RSL, I built it up in the memory of my sister. She had many side effects from chemotherapy, radiation therapy on her skin. Even as a cancer researcher, I couldn't believe that all these treatments have such an effect on your skin and on your quality of life. So we have RSL, and with the help of RIF, the $500,000 seed program, we developed 7 products for improving the quality of life and the skin of patients. And I'm very happy to announce that next week, we're going to submit the medical dossier to the Ministry of Health for the medical device that came out as a product from the RIF project. And we have already signed distribution contracts with Australia, after taking us 2 years to get regulatory approval. With Kenya, we're working via a health application for women, and we are exporting also in the UK, Slovenia, Estonia, Austria, and Germany. And I want to finish that we hear all the morning that Cyprus is a service provider. And when I came in Cyprus, Cyprus was a service provider, but I'm happy to say that in Cyprus, we also produce products. We export. We need to be proud. We need to support what locally we produce. And the other thing is that I want the next generation to stay here, and especially in our field, in the biotech ecosystem. It was very lonely. We were the second company. Now I'm happy to say that maybe we are 10, 12, and it will keep growing. And I'm sure that there is interest also for companies, big pharma companies from abroad to come and not only invest, but give us a hand and expand the network that Cyprus can produce from here. Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening to Cyprus Diaspora Uncovered. Subscribe to our podcast on Spotify or Apple Podcasts for more inspiring conversations that are shaping Cyprus's global future. You can also explore more episodes on our website and selected video interviews on our YouTube channels.